If you are like me, you're totally obsessed with color. Why? Color really can change my mood, and I like to be able to change it out regularly. That's why I love our white in polish. Not only is it 16 free, so it's missing all those chemicals you don't want, but we have not sacrificed the quality. It's vegan friendly, animal cruelty free, all the things that are really important to people. But it also has an amazing color range. It's fast drying, it's highly pigmented, everything you are looking for in a polish. The first grouping I want to talk about is our shears. So I'm going to talk about my 3 favorites right now. So we have Apple Core is just going to give you a beautiful red highlight that just gives you that healthy look to your natural nail. Next in our range, sheer pink. We can't go without a sheer pink. This color is called Platonic, and it's just going to give you that nice wash of a baby pink. Again, just going to give you a nice little gloss over it. This is a great sheer. If you're looking for a little coverage, if you have a few flaws in your nails, but you still just want it to be a nice sheer pink. Okay, I might have lied. I think this might be my favorite. This is Salty Laugh, and Salty Laugh is just the most beautiful mocha sheer color. Really does not do it justice on the clear tip over the natural nail. It's just a beautiful, milky, beigey mocha color. Just the perfect wash of brown over your natural nail. Next, I want to talk about our nude range. Our nude range is extensive. Why? We want it from lightest neutral to the darkest nude, right? So I've kind of picked a little range so you can see. The first one is called Soft Landing. It is just the perfect lighter beigey nude. In the middle, we have Bits and Pieces. And this, I don't know, if a color is yummy, this is a yummy color. It's just that medium mocha color that's gonna look so amazing on everybody's skin tone. And now for that deep nude look. This is just a deep brown red. This is called Hot Cave Freak, and I cannot wait to wear this winter. There you have it, your nudes from light to dark, and we have every color in between. Now this might seem a little silly to show you, but I have to highlight our black and white, and let me tell you why. I think you have to have a black and white in your polish collection, but I don't know if you know this, but a good white is hard to find. Whites can cast anywhere from a gray to a yellow tone, and we want a pure white, which is what we accomplished with our white polish called Nerdvana. The same applies to a black. A lot of times you'll apply a black and you're like, is that a dark gray? Is it a dark blue? I wanted Blackout black. And again, that's what we accomplished with our black called Blackout Joy. Lastly, I want to show you the different sheens and textures that you can expect to see in our polish line. I've already shown you the first 2, but I want to put it in the range. First, I'm going to show you Apple Core again. And remember, that's a beautiful red sheer. Then you have our creams. This one again is Bits and Pieces. Then we have UFO Tofu. And this is, some of our polishes have this beautiful pearlized look. Gonna go right into Holo Blush. And this is like a beautiful micro glitter, still kind of sheer, just giving you a hint. It's just gonna give you a beautiful little hollow pop. Then we're gonna go full glitter. This is called Pink Noise. The way I like to apply our glitters is I kind of float it on, really get it intense, and I usually will do 2 coats of this way. Now you can paint it on a little more sheer. You can, again, use this for art. You can use it as a stand-alone. It's just a stunning rose quartz glitter. And there you have it, from sheers to creams to pearlescence to your micro glitter to your full-on glitter. We have the color for you.